Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the game and enabling the developer console. Do this because direct memory changes need the console available. Once done, add Enable Developer Console to your Outer Worlds launch options and verify saves are backed up to avoid loss. Then load the save you want to modify and press the tilde or backtick key to open the console. Make sure the game is paused or in a safe area so commands won't interrupt scripted events. You now run core commands that change items, stats, and game state. This is where precision matters. For protection, type TGM to toggle God mode before experimenting and use player. Add item ID quantity to add gear, use the help term command to search ID. To change attributes, try player. Mod skill value or settleable for overall progression. Make adjustments in small increments to avoid breaking quests. Keep a note of exact syntax as you go. You finish by saving to a new slot so your modified state is preserved and original progress remains intact. If the game crashes or behaves oddly, restore your backup save and repeat the command sequence more conservatively, often removing recently added items or reverting a stat fixes issues. If the console is causing instability, use the command to clear entries and remove Enable Developer Console from launch options. This returns the game.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.